Noor, where do you study?
Alhamdulillah, we study in Ali Public School.
What is special about your school?
In our school, we learn to read, write, and learn math application and adabs. Alhamdulillah, in our school, we learn the basic values according to Quran and Sunnah. Islamic school guides to walk on Sirat al-Mustaqim. It helps to gain success in both worlds. Our school teaches the social, economic, personal values. Our school teaches modesty, respect towards family and society, encourages parada. What is special about your school?
English school teaches only worldly education. It leads to different rights. English school teaches success only in this world. Based on egoism, English school no teach modesty. In English school, no parda system is followed. Mashallah, very nice about your school. We wish to join the same school, inshallah.
Inshallah. Jazakallah khair.